Hello and welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video I am going to show you how to download or install IG Trading app in your device. IG Trading app is an online platform that helps to trade various financial instruments. Now moving on to the video, first of all go to your Play Store or App Store. Then search IG Trading. There you can see IG Trading Trade Stock by IG Group. Tap on it, then press install. It might take a while to install the app depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, open IG Trading app to buy, sell and trade shares. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.